Booty Cat.
You and me were never meant to be. You and me, never what it seems. You tell me that you love me and then you go to bed. You wake up in the morning, then you say you shake your head. You can't make up your mind. First you make me happy and then you make me sad. You talk about a future and you say it's in the past. Well, that just isn't fair. Oh, oh, I love you. Oh, I thought you loved me too. You and I, we've said our last goodbye. You and I, you said hey the very next night. We've gone months without talking and it's something I could stand. The way we met, the way we felt, it's nothing that we planned. It all just felt so right. I feel so alone in this crowded fucking room. Everyone is holding hands, wishing I could do that too. This isn't fair. Oh, oh, I love you. Oh, I thought you loved me too. Me and you, there's nothing I can do. Me, I'm here.